Hi, hello, and welcome to all. In this video, I'm just going to share some interesting facts about plants. But before entering into our today's topic somewhat deeply, I want to share one quote to you. Our life is our strength, our death is our weakness. So try to use this strength in a useful manner. If you hear something rubbish sound around me, I'm really sorry for that. Okay, now we can enter into today's topic somewhat deeply. The first fact that I'm going to say to you is you can produce nearly 1,70,100 pencils if you cut an average heighted tree. Yeah, you can produce nearly 1,70,100 pencils just by cutting a single average heighted tree. And then the second fact is, if you want to lead your life in a happy manner, then try to eat at least one banana a day. If you start consuming bananas per day, then those chemical substances which present in those bananas helps you to be happy. And then the third fact is, trees are fully made up of dead cells. Yeah, the trees are fully made up of dead cells. Then except that leaves and that root. That leaves and root is the one and only thing which is made up of an alive cells. Then those leaves and roots, all the things which you see in that tree is fully made up of dead cells. That tree is fully filled with nearly 99% of the tree is filled with the dead cells. And then the fourth factor is the coffee plant doesn't need any pesticides because the caffeine content which you see in that coffee plant is the best and natural pesticide which is created by that plant itself for itself. And then the fifth fact is none other fruit will float in the water than that apple. The reason behind that is that apple is fully made up of I'm really sorry. That apple is nearly made up of 20% of water. So because of that reason only, that apple is floating in the water. And then the sixth fact is strawberry is the one and only fruit which just leaves its seeds outside of its skin. None other fruit will leave its seeds outside of its skin, but that strawberry used to leave its seeds in the outside of its skin. And one amazing thing is you can see nearly 200 seeds in a single strawberry. The seventh fact is we, the human, use nearly 2000 varieties of plants to make our food. Yeah, just imagine one thing. We all are different. All the people who are living in this world are different and our cultures are differed just by state and country by country. Our culture is so different. So because of that reason, the food process is also somewhat different. So because of those reasons, we the humans nearly consume 2000 different varieties of plants as our food. And then the eighth fact is elephant grass. The elephant grass which you see in Africa is nearly 4.5 meter height. Just imagine it. It is nearly 4.5 meter height. Even an elephant can hide it into that grass. So because of that reason only, that grass get that name. The name is elephant grass. The ninth fact is you can see nearly 3 lakh varieties of plants around you. You can see nearly 3 lakh varieties of plants around this world. Just think about one thing. You can see nearly 50 varieties of plants just nearby your home itself. So it's not a big deal to see nearly 3 lakh varieties of plants and trees around this world. I think so. So if you think it is somewhat a big thing, then just leave it in the comment section. And then the 10th fact is the seed. If you plant a seed in a soil, it will correctly grow in towards the upward direction. You may think how it is happening because I just put it in a downward direction, but how this plant is growing in a correct manner, like that you can think, yeah, it will grow only like that only, because the reason behind that is those plants and seeds can feel the presence of the sunlight. So it will grow only towards the sunlight and it will just search it off for the sunlight. So because of that reason only, if you plant even a single single or more and more seeds into a down direction means it will grow only in an upward direction. It will just grow towards the sky. And then the 11th fact is most of them used to think that plants used to consume only water is only the food product of the plant, like that more and more people used to think, but it is totally wrong. Plant used to intake the food using the process of photosynthesis. It intakes the sunlight to acid food. And then we came to the end of our video, the last interesting fact about plants. The 12th fact is the bamboo plant is the fastest growing plant in the world. You can ask why. The reason behind that is this plant grows nearly 35 inches in a single day. Just think about it, it grows nearly 35 inches in a single day. So because of that reason only we are calling it as a world's fastest growing plant. I think you all like this video and the information which I said in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then, bye.